Right, the first part of the question is pretty standard. You've got a chunk of a circle called a sector. If the whole circle's area is pi r squared, then the area of this sector is going to be a fraction of pi r squared. It's going to be 110 3/60ths of pi r squared. So it's 110 over 360 times pi r squared, r being 12 in this case. So we get blah, 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 138.23 centimeters squared. It's 2300. I mean, that's enough for now. Usually, you should give your answers to three significant figures, but retain a bit more accuracy in case you need it for the next part. In this case, I have a feeling you don't. So it's 138 to 3SF. Now, for the next bit, it gives you the same question, but this time with R. So if you would, it says, show that the total perimeter of this fan is 2/3 R, 3 plus Y cubed. So, okay, it's not quite the same. It's asking for the perimeter. Right. The principle is the same. If you're working out the total perimeter of a circle, it would be 2 pi r, wouldn't it? But this one's 120 360ths of that, so it's 120 over 360 times 2 pi r. Now, 120 over 60 cancels down to a third, which leaves you with a third times 2 pi r, which is equal to 2. Excuse me. 2/3 pi r. Now, hold on a second. This isn't the same as the answer here. That's because what we've done is we've worked out this length, and this is a classic mistake in this type of question. If you work out that length, it's a proportion of the whole circumference. You haven't actually worked out the perimeter of the shape, because it's a solid shape, and there's three lines in it. There's the red line you've calculated, but you also cannot forget, and it's very easy to, this line here and this line here. So we're nearly there. We just need to add on each of those lines, and each of those lines, of course, are a length r. So we get, this is our arc length, effectively. I should label it. So the line in red is the arc length. And then we need to add on, so the total perimeter is going to be that 2/3 pi r plus 2r. And if we take out 2/3 r as a factor, 2/3 r times pi gives us 2/3 pi r. This is an r, by the way. And then when you multiply 2/3 by to get 2, you multiply by 3. So that's going to be 3. And that is the same as that.